Now, while loop in Python. So, what are loops? Loops let you repeat actions. A while loop runs as long as a condition is true. Useful when you don't know how many times something should repeat. So what is a while loop? Here is the basic syntax. While condition colon then do something. Python checks the condition before each iteration. Here is a basic example of while loop. I equals 1. While I less than equals 5, print I. Then we are incrementing it. I plus equals 1, which means I equals I plus 1. This prints numbers from 1 to 5. Always make sure to update the variable, or else you will create an infinite loop. Yes, friend. Next, yes, infinite loop. So, if your condition never becomes false, right? So, while true, print this will run forever. If we execute it, yes, it will never stop. This is called an infinite loop. Use it with break to control the flow. So how you can use break? So while true, let's create a variable cmd, input enter exit to stop. If cmd equals exit, break. Alright, so what it will do? This keeps asking for input until the user types exit. Alright, that's it for while loop. In our next lecture, we will take a look at for loop and range function. So see you in our next lecture. Till then, have fun. Take care.